My name is Bruce Wardrop. I work here in the Department of Health, Sport and Exercise Science in the Waterford Institute of Technology. The wider community here in WIT, we've got about 8,000 students and 1,000 members of staff. In the Department of Health, Sport and Exercise Science, we have about 600 students on 4 undergraduate courses. The opening of the WIT Arena is a really important development for us here. Everyone is super excited for it. It's given us a real extra boost in terms of the facilities and the overall student experience that we can offer in the college. Most of the students that are in our department will use the arena at some stage or another during their education. Depending on the course they're on, they could be out here every day or they could be out here a couple of times a week. But it's a real step up in terms of the facilities that we have now and that we can offer now. The public gym is open to all our students, of course. We think we've delivered a really good, high quality, well-equipped public gym that meets all the needs of the people in the surrounding area and locally in the college and within our department. The WIT Arena here is really important to the wider community of students and especially to us in the Department of Health, Sport and Exercise Science. We feel that maxsport.ie have really helped us to deliver a top-notch facility both on the public side of things and in a high-performance gym over here. We have everything that an athlete would expect from a high-performance gym, but where it really sets itself aside is in the extra specialist testing and training equipment that maxsport.ie helped us to get. That allows us to offer a really enhanced teaching and learning experience to our students and also boosts our research capacity through our undergraduate and postgraduate research that we have in the department. So it really sets us aside, not just on the training side of things, but teaching, learning and research as well. Working with Max Sport has been very easy from the very beginning. Paul and the team at Max Sport have been thoroughly professional from the design, installation and through to the delivery of all the equipment that we have here, and already their aftercare service has proved to be very good, very useful as well. I'd highly recommend them to anyone who's considering to set up a facility, regardless of how big or how small. You won't be disappointed.